this video, we are going to see two best friend conversations. Don and Lina have been best friends for years, but little did they know that they had both secretly fallen in love with each other. One day, they decided to finally reveal their true feelings to each other.
Hi Lina, there's something I've been wanting to tell you for a while now.
What is it, Don?
I know we've been best friends for a long time, but the truth is, I've fallen in love with you.
Really? Don, I have to tell you something too. I've been in love with you for a while now too.
I can't believe it. I thought I was the only one feeling this way. So, what do we do now?
I don't know. I don't want to lose our friendship, but I can't deny my feelings for you either.
Same here. Maybe we can give it a try and see where it goes. We already know each other so well, it might just work out.
I like that idea. Let's take things slow and see where it takes us.
Sounds good to me. I'm excited to see where this goes.
Me too, Don. Me too.
And with that, Don and Lina took their friendship to the next level, embarking on a new journey as a couple. Even though it was a bit scary, they knew that they were taking a chance on something special and that their love would only continue to grow stronger with time. As they began dating, Don and Lina were cautious about their new relationship, not wanting to jeopardize their friendship. They started by going on simple dates and spending more time together, exploring their feelings and enjoying each other's company.
Lina, I feel like I'm falling more and more in love with you every day.
I feel the same way, Don. Being with you feels so natural, like we were always meant to be together.
I know what you mean. I can't imagine my life without you in it now.
Me too, Don. You're my best friend and now my partner too. I feel so lucky to have you in my life.
Don and Lina's relationship continued to grow stronger, and they eventually decided to take things to the next level and move in together.
Lina, I was thinking, why don't we move in together?
That sounds like a great idea, Don. We practically spend all our time together anyway, and it would make things so much easier.
I agree. Plus, it would be fun to decorate our own place and start this new chapter of our lives together.
I'm excited about it, Don. Let's do it.
And so, Don and Lina took the next step in their relationship, moving in together and starting a new phase of their lives. They knew that there would be challenges along the way, but they were ready to face them together, knowing that their love and friendship would carry them through anything. As they settled into their new home, Don and Lina continued to explore their love for each other. They learned more about each other's quirks and habits, and found that they only loved each other more for it. They supported each other through the ups and downs of life, always there to lift each other up when things got tough.
Lina, I know we've been living together for a while now, but I want to ask you something.
What is it, Don?
Will you marry me?
Oh my God, Don. Yes, I will.
And so, Don and Lina became engaged, preparing to take the next step in their relationship. They planned their wedding together, incorporating all the things they loved about each other and their friendship into the celebration.
Don, I can't believe it's finally here. Our wedding day.
I know, Lina. It feels like we've been waiting forever for this moment.
But it's all worth it. Today, we get to celebrate our love and our friendship in front of all our friends and family.
I couldn't have asked for a better partner and best friend, Lina. I love you so much.
I love you too, Don. Today and always.
And with that, Don and Lina were married, surrounded by the love and support of their friends and family. They knew that their love and friendship would continue to grow stronger every day, and that they were embarking on a new journey together, filled with joy, love, and happiness. Please subscribe and like this video.